Hello, first grade friends, Miss Bennett here. It's time to do another lesson from our number 7 folder. So find your folder with the number 7 in it and find this packet that we worked on yesterday. We did a page out of this packet yesterday, the very first one. So today we have another one where we're going to talk about needs and wants. Now remember, a need is something like food or water or like healthy food and water. That's something you need to stay healthy, but you might want like cake or ice cream, but you don't need those to survive. So find this packet, keeping those things in mind. Find this packet. You will also need your scissors, you will need some glue, and you will need a pencil to write your name and the date. So find all those materials and then I'll meet you on the other side. All right, so if you have found your packet, you have your writing tool ready to go. Our first job is to write your name and the date. Now, the date is probably different for you than what it is for me, so I'm going to leave it blank. You may fill in the date if you know what it is. Now, before we cut, your next job is to take the first sheet and rip it off. You might have done this already if you have super special mind reading powers. Rip off your paper. You should only have this one. These are the pictures at the bottom that you should have out. Then take the rest of them. The next page looks kinds of different. They have different words on it. Put this back into your number 7 folder. This one should go away. Stay organized. Put that one back into your number 7 folder. Keep out these pictures. So before we get started, let's talk about what each of the pictures are. This one is clothes. This is a clock. I think this is like a cookie. This is a toothbrush. Over here we have some corn and maybe some lettuce. We have ice cream, a pie or maybe a cupcake, and a drum. Now, if you are like, oh, Miss Bennett, but I really want to color in those pictures before I cut them out, you may go ahead and color them really quick. I'm not going to, but if you would like to, you may color them in, and then using your scissors very, very carefully, go ahead and cut them out. Follow the dotted road, cut out all of these pictures. All right, all of my pictures are all cut out over here. Of course, if you need more time, just hit that pause button on your video. And then when you're ready, we will start gluing. So put those scissors away, find your glue stick. And we're gonna glue these pictures, sorting them into needs and wants. Now, if you remember yesterday, some of those things, you might have thought that you wanted them in a different spot. These should all go in the same spot. So yours should look just like mine today. So let's start with this picture. This is a drum, like we said. Let's think, do we need a drum? I don't think so. I might really want to play a drum, but I don't think I need it. So the drum is going to go in the want side with the W. Want. I want a drum, but I don't need it. All right, there's my drum. Next picture is the pie. Let's see, do we need a pie? Is it really healthy? Is it going to keep us feeling good? Probably not. That's something that we want. That might be for like a special occasion, like maybe you have a birthday pie, because it's not something we need every day, but it's something we might want for something special. Next picture that I have is this one. It might be kind of hard to tell what it is. I'm going to say it's a cookie, like maybe a chocolate chip cookie. This is kind of like the pie, where it's kind of for special occasions. I don't get to have cookies every day, but I definitely want them sometimes. So I'm going to put it over in the want side. Glue down the cookie. All right, next picture that I have is this picture of a clock. Now, when you see the picture of the clock, it makes me think of like I need to be on time for school so that I don't miss any jobs. So I need to look at the clock to know what time it is. So this is a need for me. So I'm going to put it over on the need side with the letter N. This is our very first need. Here's my clock. There we go. All right, next picture. I think we had one very similar to this last time, but this is a toothbrush with some toothpaste. And remember, we said we need to brush our teeth every day. It's very important that we brush our teeth and keep them clean and healthy. So this will go in the need side. Let's take some glue and glue down your toothbrush picture. All right, we're almost done. We just have a few more left. The next one is this very delicious looking ice cream sundae. What do you think? Is ice cream a need? Does it keep us healthy? Or is it just a want, like for special times? I think it's a want, so I'm gonna glue it over here with the delicious pie and the yummy cookie. There's my ice cream sundae. All right, we have 2 more pictures left. All right, next one is the clothes. I think it's pretty important that we wear clothes every day. So let's put clothes in the need side. We need to wear clothes every day. There's our clothes. Next picture, very last one, are the vegetables, the lettuce and the corn. Now, to me, this picture kind of represents all healthy food, which I think we definitely need to stay healthy and feeling good and ready for school. So this is a need. So let's put the corn over on the need side, the corn and the lettuce. Glue down your vegetable picture, and then we're all done. If I went a little too fast, or if you need more time to catch up, here's my paper all finished. Please make sure yours looks just like mine. And if you chose not to color your pictures before, but you're like, I really want to now, go ahead and color them before putting this paper away. Make sure that you put your cap back on your glue stick, and your glue stick gets back in your bin of supplies, and make sure you're staying organized. But then we are all done with this job. Great job, first graders.